Hello friends and welcome to Passion Cocoon. Today we will be preparing a fish curry. So these are the ingredients. The details will be listed in the description below. Don't forget to soak the cauliflower in hot boiling water for some time. I have already fried the fish. In a mixer, we take one roughly chopped onion, one roughly chopped tomato, and 2 chilies and make a paste out of it. We now take 5 to 6 cloves of garlic, 1 small piece of ginger, and make a rough paste of it. Since I've already fried the fish, I have used the leftover oil and I've taken 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Let it pop. Now you may add the ginger garlic paste, we will also add the onion, tomato and the chili paste. Mix it up well and let it cook for some time. Salt as per your taste. I have taken 1 teaspoon of turmeric, one teaspoon of cumin powder or jeera powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder or dhania powder. You may also add fish masala if you have. When it leaves the oil, you can add the cauliflower which has been soaked. Also add the diced potatoes. Mix it up and let the masala paste cover the cauliflower and the potatoes. It should look something like this. Now add hot water for the curry, so that the cauliflower and the potatoes quickly. Bring it to a boil and add the green peas. Cover it with a lid and let it cook in medium flame for about 5 minutes. When it it is half cooked, add in the pieces of fish. The fish was already fried. Now we'll let the pieces of fish soak in the curry. Cover it with the lid again and let it cook for some time. Try and smash one cauliflower so that you get to know if it is cooked, and add in fresh coriander. Mix it up well, and the coriander will give a very nice taste and flavor to the curry. You can squeeze in some lemon to give it a tangy taste. So here we are, the fish curry is ready. If you like this video,